morning, everyone. I'm up early to get out the door to go to my yearly eye doctor appointment. I see Mr. Bluebird over there on the bird pole. I've been seeing at least one fledgling the last couple of days also, which is way cool. I guess they've been up in the trees long enough that now they can at least come over to the feeder on their own. Good morning, Gray. Hi. Here you go. Good morning. Hi. You doing good? Come here. Hi. Hello. You can just stay up there and wait for me. I heard our chicken friend. Oh yes, jumped down at the last minute. Here you go, Mart. Can you move over just a bit, bud? Here comes Morris back. I don't mean to be confusing. Hey, bud. I hear the chicken. I haven't seen him for a week, over a week. He's close by. Yeah, you eat, Stripe, because Mr. Chicken Man is coming. Well, I hustled and got all the cat water bowls refreshed, but I didn't have time to walk across the bridge or do some of the things I normally would do in the morning. Oh well. The only conclusion I can come up with is that I thought I was going to this appointment after I got home from downtown Raleigh and dropping Johnny off at school. I don't know. I won't be making the next one this early. It would be really convenient this morning if Judd Parkway didn't have lane closures yet. So I'm going up by the Taekwondo school for those of you that remember where that is. Up by the old Roses, where Planet Fitness and stuff is now. Not very far. I'm not going very far this time around. Johnny and I have an appointment in Raleigh this afternoon. So we'll be going back out later for a little drive. Well, Dr. May says everything's fine. I can continue to wear my over-the-counter readers, and I can continue to skirt needing distance glasses. My distance vision's not perfect, but it's not changing. And I tried, what do they call those lenses? The ones that are reading and distance all at the same time. And those were not for me. So the last thing I want is those kind of glasses. Anyway, all good. And this is the only time during the entire year you will ever see me with sunglasses on. But I definitely need them right now. Well, right now we're the only ones in here. Don's getting his exercise watch started, right?
Yeah, I want 100% credit for everything I do. I don't move a muscle that I don't get credit for.
And he's got the fan oscillating it on. Sometimes other people don't turn it on, but we need it. And I think I can probably take off the sunglasses in here. This does sort of work so I can still read, but I think maybe in here it's okay now. Well, it's going on 2:30 and Johnny and I are headed into Raleigh for our appointment. It's a nice sunny warm afternoon out here. Well, that was the smoothest appointment I think we've ever done. We were in, we got in line, we handled our business, and we were out. It was just easy peasy. So we're gonna stop over here in Holly Springs and do a little bit of back to school type shopping. Since we got given back, God, what, an hour, Johnny, probably? Like, it was really a pleasant surprise. Well, Johnny and I were in Target and looked around just a little bit, but mostly we were at Pace Yourself Run Company in Holly Springs, where they have this machine that scans your foot and tells you about your foot and what you need in a shoe. And I don't know, my pretty pink shoes are, God, 1.5 years old and desperately need to be replaced. Unfortunately, they don't have pretty bright pink anymore, but they had this rose-colored pink, so they ordered me a pair in the right size. Still New Balance, a couple year newer model than the one that I had. I know it's kind of sad. I cared more about the color than I cared about anything else other than them not hurting my feet. And Johnny also got an updated pair of shoes for the upcoming school year. And they were really nice in there. And if you know, it was a good experience from the person that helped us. This is picanha, similar to tri-tip. I have browned it nicely in the cast iron skillet, and I'm fixing to bake it the rest of the way. I can't wait. It looks good. The day has disappeared. It's already 6:30.